After several weeks of working on the engine, I finally have it ready. It was a nice journey, but now it's time to move to the next part. Bodywork. Meanwhile, let me enjoy my first ride. First step, deep clean to evaluate the status of the bodywork. I used mostly a water gun with pretty high pressure to remove not only the dirt, but the paintwork in the areas where it was not in the best condition. Based on what will come visible, I will decide if only a few corrections are needed or a full body paint is needed. Time to dry out and evaluate the status.
Now this is a fucking disaster. I guess it will be more work than I expected to. As more as I see, it is becoming clear that there is a lot of work on this car.